Lakambini 14, here is the final question. Paano mo ilalarawan ang kulay pula sa isang bulag?
Ilalarawan ko ang kulay pula sa isang bulag sa pamamagitan ng mga mapuputa kong salita o kung saan mga salita ko na gusto kong ipahayag sa kanya na lahat tayo ay may malakas dahil ang simbolo ng pula ay lakas. Tulad na lamang ni Governor Sol Alagones na dahil na malakas ngayon ang ating Laguna, dahil na nag-level up at dahil patuloy na tinatangkilik tayo ng mga turista. Kaya naman, kung ilalarawan ko ang kulay pula sa bulag ay aking gagamitin ang aking boses upang ipalaganap sa kanya ang mga gusto kong sabihin at patunayan ito. Yun lamang at maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Lakambini 14. Now let's hear it from Lakambini 8 from San Pablo City. Maria Nina Kate Cortez.
Ready for your final question?
Ito po ang iyong huling katanungan. Paano mo ilalarawan ang kulay pula sa isang bulag?
Maraming salamat po. Mailalarawan ko po ang kulay pula sa isang bulag sa pamamagitan ng pag-e-explain sa kanya na ang kulay pula ay sumisimbolo ng pagmamahal. Dahil ang pagmamahal, pag pinili natin ito, ay sumisimbolo rin po ito sa kabutihan. At ang kabutihan, kapag lumaganap sa ating lipunan, makakamtan natin ang unity and ang progresibong lipunan sa ating lahat. And as your Lakambini ng Laguna 2026, thank you po.
Thank you very much, Lakambini 8. Now let's hear it from Lakambini 15 from the city of Binyan, Juliana Marie Kiambao.
That color.
Juliana, are you ready? The final question is, paano mo ilalarawan ang kulay pula sa isang bulag?
I would describe the color red as a good heart. It is a good and healthy heart that doesn't just think of himself or herself. She also thinks of others around her. She has a good heart, she is compassionate, and she understands the differences that we have towards one another. That red in you, that fire and that passion to do something good, not just for yourself, but also for your community, is red. It is beautiful, it is fiery. And also, red symbolizes that if you have a good heart, you do something good, you try to be good and to do good because you want to inspire. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lakambini 15. Now let's hear it from our Lakambini 20. From Santa Rosa City, Mariela Elisha Marquez. Lakambini 20. Here is the final question. Paano mo ilalarawan ang kulay pula sa isang bulag?
For me, the color red is about love and passion. And if I were to reflect that color to someone who cannot see, I will show it through my passion and love for pageantry. It is through this industry that I have shaped who I am today, my morals, my character, and my confidence. And through my experience, I've definitely gained so much love that I have reflected on this stage tonight and throughout my many competitions. And so I truly do believe that even as cliche as it may sound, love truly conquers all, and it can even reflect to someone who is blind. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Rizel, here is the final question. Paano mo ilalarawan ang kulay pula sa isang bulag?
I would describe the color red to a blind person, just like as Laguna is full of beautiful, strong stories. Because I believe the color red symbolizes how we are resilient and purposeful in everything we do. That's why as I set my own legacy in becoming your first ever Lakambini, what I will do is keep these stories alive, just like the color red, because I believe that we cannot truly move forward and progress if we forgot the same roots and stories that have shaped us from the beginning. And with this vision in my heart, I know that I have championed the true spirit of leveling up Laguna. Maraming salamat po!
Maraming salamat, Lakambini mula sa bayan ng Pagsanhan. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our final question and answer. Tunay ng kahanga-hanga ang ipinamanas ng ating mga kalahok ngayong gabi.
I couldn't agree more, Mike, and each one has showcased their true authentic self and their confidence. Tunay na magaling ang mga Lagunense!
And so, at this point, we would like to thank our personal sponsors.